Hiya people, quick show today. I've got about 50 items I clean up. I've pulled them from here, there and everywhere in the workshop. Kind of medium value items that I know I can sell reasonably quickly. So we've got some die holders, some Barco spanners, some sockets, all this stuff coming up, getting cleaned quick. Stay to the end because I'll give you a bit of a better description of everything that's cleaned up. As you can see, some are reasonably clean and some are bloody rusty, but they'll all get cleaned up. No idea what's going on with the phone. It seems to have an echo on the speaker. Echo on the speaker. No idea what's going on with the voiceover, sorry. Right, we're going to crack on with this pile. First off is a little Echo bicycle spanner from Abingdon, who do the King Dicks. Here's a picture of how big the factory was in 1880. Right, well, this one didn't really take long at all to clean. Less than a minute, in fact. On now to a really quick clean as well on the Barco 9031, which is the wider jaw version. Okay, this is probably the worst looking one. It's not actually that bad. It just looks rusty all over. That's a great quality steel underneath that rust, as you will see when I show you a close-up of one of the heads of the socket bars later on in this video. Now, the worst place in this one is straight down the middle of the handle, on both sides. The rest of the wrench is reasonably clean. And we move on to a Brit tool breaker bar. We'll see how good this looks, considering it's probably 60 to 70 years old. Right then, that's everything cleaned up. So everything you see at the start cleaned up, that's taken me about 30 to 40 minutes, I reckon. But now I've got the cleaning bug, and I've got to find other stuff to clean. Hang on. So I found this load of Brit tool stuff laying about as well, and I thought, got to do that too. There we are, sorted. I even found 2 copper or beryllium sockets in there by Brit tool. If anyone knows anything about them, let me know. Got some nice close-ups coming in a minute. I just like to say, I reckon all this took me an hour, maybe just over an hour to clean, and 4 hours to list on eBay. So this is that Echo from Abingdon Echo Limited, which dates from 1906 onwards. Here are those Barco spanners, 15-inch, a chromed 12 and the 9031 wide mouth. one of the nice Brit tool socket bars, bundle of Brit tool spanners, and about 10 assorted die holders. Don't forget any info on why these are copper, that'd be nice to know. So there we are, people, that's it for today. All those done. That's job done it, really. Tool cleaning jobbed. I'm going to say thanks for watching. Thanks for making it all the way through. Everything you see here is on eBay. Seriously, thanks for watching. Thanks for making it all the way through. Now if I can just get you to rewind a bit and hit the like button and then let this bit play through again, that will increase my viewing time, thereby putting me more out to the YouTube world, and when I become famous I can stop working for bloody Tesco's. So I don't want to nag, but can you hit the like? Cheers. And I'm going to say to most of the world, see you next Saturday.